Many people across the nation are choosing a sustainable lifestyle. One way to do that is by choosing solar panels. Not only do you help the environment, but you also reduce utility costs. But nothing lasts forever. So let's discuss how long solar panels last, what can affect this, and how you can extend the life of your panels and keep them working efficiently. Why they don't last forever. Solar panels degrade over time, and several factors can degrade at a higher rate. Over time, the chemical potency of the panels is naturally reduced. This is called the degradation rate. The lower the degradation rate, the more energy a solar panel will produce. The average rate is 0.8%, with some offering degradation rates as low as 0.3%. Some things that cause higher degradation include poor quality solar panels, micro crack formation, inclement weather, extreme climate changes, heavy soiling, improper installation, lack of maintenance. Solar panel degradation is grouped into 3 types. Light-induced degradation is when the initial exposure to solar radiation occurs, the photoconductivity is reduced. This usually happens in the first 1,000 hours of operation and will stabilize over time. Potential-induced degradation isn't common but can reduce performance. If different components are working at different voltages, causes a disruption, increasing power output. Age-related degradation involves natural wear and tear, including chemical reactions that encourage crystalline hardening, cell contamination, and weather cycles. So, how long do solar panels last? Across the industry, the standard for solar panels is 25 to 30 years. It's not that they will just stop working when they hit that mark, but their output will significantly decrease. And your panels may continue to produce effectively for longer than 3 decades. Lengthening the life of your solar panels. Thankfully, homeowners and business owners can do things to extend the life of their solar panels. The first thing comes before you have even installed them. Choose a trusted provider that offers a quality product. This provider should also provide maintenance to ensure they are working efficiently. When you do this, you will also get your panels installed correctly in a position away from areas that are likely to experience damage from trees and bushes. Just like maintaining your home and your car, there are things you can do to maintain your solar panels. When debris falls on your panels, remove them immediately. Have your system checked if you notice a decline in production. Have your solar panels professionally cleaned and inspected each year. Now that you're armed with accurate information on solar panel degradation and proper maintenance, you're equipped to prolong the life and efficiency of your system. Now, one more point before we go, solar panel recycling. When it's time to replace your solar panels, they mustn't be discarded. They fill landfills, releasing toxic chemicals like cadmium and lead into the environment. When solar panels are correctly recycled, rare elements, including gallium and indium, can be conserved to use solar panels and other products. Solar panels are recycled in 3 ways. Reuse. Not only can we break down the panels to recycle their components, but they can also be reused for off-grid applications and small chargers like the ones used on the electronic highway signs. Mechanical recycling. The solar panels are broken down into their components in mechanical recycling. Another process removes the aluminum framing and grinds the glass, silicon, and wiring into glass cullet. The glass cullet is used as a building material. Chemical recycling. Now for the fun stuff. Chemical or thermal recycling involves using reactions at the molecular level to separate the ingredients in the solar panel. Companies that are currently recycling solar panels include We Recycle Solar uses a mixture of chemical and chemical extraction methods for raw resources. Veolia, a European company, recycles solar panels, removing glass, silicon, plastics, and metals. Recycle PV partners with PV Cycle to transport US panels to European recycling facilities. Now, solar panel recycling is growing in the US, but it doesn't target homeowners at this point. To find out more about recycling your solar panels, get in touch with your installer or the manufacturer of your panels. Choosing to go solar is an investment in sustainability and cost savings. While solar panel degradation is something that happens naturally, your best bet is to start with a high-quality solar panel. Research solar equipment manufacturers and choose a trusted installer. Then be sure to maintain your system to ensure efficiency and long life. If you have any questions, contact us at Avio Solar today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. We'll see you next time.